Okay, b power. What is b power now? Before the p power was 1, now the b power is 2. This is binomial theorem. Now NC3. Let me write till here. A power. Now what is a power? What is a power? N minus 3. And b power? 3.
3.
Yes, and like this it will continue. And like this the binomial theorem will continue till what comes? Plus dot plus b comes, power of b comes n, then it will be finished. Okay, now I apply this formula here. Let me with the size of this formula, we will apply this formula in this question. Okay, student, are you getting this one? Because in this question these are the values. Okay, now I'm, can you see the formula now in clear view? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now apply this formula here. Or now expand using this formula. Okay, now NC0. What should I write first? 4C0. Should I write 4C0? Should I write 4C0?
Yes.
And what is A power n? What is A? A is 1. What is the power of A? N. A power n means 4. Next term, NC1. What is n? Now I write 4C1. Now what is the power of A? First, the power of A was 4. Now power of A will be decreased and power of B will be increased. The power of B in the first term was 0. So what is the power of A now? What is A? A is 1. A is 1. What is the power of A now? B. And what is B? B is X. And now the power of this one will be, but it was 0 first, now it is 1. Now the next term, who will tell me? Yes, Hamesh, sorry. Fatima, please tell me.
Sir, 4C2.
Uh, okay, 4C2. Then,
And then in the bracket we will write 1 and the power is 2.
very good. And then B power. B
And
is
then B
X.
power is X, X3.
Now what is the power of X before? 1. Now X to power 2. Okay, next term. Next term, please.
4C3.
4C3.
Then in bracket we will write 1 and then the power will be 1.
Power will be 1. Then B. X power
3.
3. Very good. 3. Should I continue? Should I continue?
Yes, sir.
Why we should continue?
Because
Because
there
when
are the power is 4.
the 4C4 will come, then it will be ended. Okay. When the power is total power is 5, then we will go till 5C5. Then the power is 10, then you have to go till 10C10. So like this you will do. Okay, now Fatima, please continue. 4C4, then
1,
1 power 0,
0. And then X power 4.
X power 4. Now the maximum power of 4 has come on B. So we stop this because over here you can see. Can you see this one? What is that? In red color. Can you see this one? B power n when b power n comes, so you stop. So b is x power 4. Now you stop it. Now please tell me the answer, final answer. This was just the expansion of uh, the expression. And now tell me the answer now, one by one. Yes, and now I'm asking, use your calculator. This is very important that you use calculator with you. Now, Vasil, please tell me the answer of this, one by one. Now, 4C0, what is 4C0? Do you remember what I said about 4C0, 5C0, 6C0? Do you remember what I said about it? Hello?
Sir, 1.
1. And 1 will multiply by 1 power 4, 1, it will remain same. Okay. Now, Vasil, 4C1, what is the answer?
Sir,
Use your
4.
calculator. 4. 4 will multiply by 1, so it will be 1. So I write 4x. Okay, next. 4C2.
6.
6. Multiply by 1, so it will be 6 and 4x square. Next. Plus 4C3.
4C3 is, sir, 4.
4C3, 4. Multiply by 1, so 1. What is the power of x?
X power 2x square.
X power 3. And now what is 4C4? Do you remember what I said? 5C5, 6C6,
1.
7C, 1. So it will remain 1. 1 multiplied by x power 4. So answer is x power 4. Dear student, this is your answer. Hope you get this. Is it interesting or not? Hello students. I hope this is interesting too. So we should write in the same order. Okay, we should write the answer in the same one. We don't need to, it is not necessary to write x power 4 then first and then descending order. You should write the answer like this and it is coming. However, Ali Zain, you have done very well. Good job. I can see your answer. You have pasted your answer in chat box. Okay, now are you ready for the next question now? You will do this one. Should I write B part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm writing B part for you. This is the same exercise 11.2 B part. So this is very important. 1 minus x power. Okay, student, there is a, you must understand one thing, then start this one. Minus sign is coming. Remember, when minus sign is coming, so you have to use this one. Be careful. Okay, now tell me in this question, tell me what is n?
5.
What is a?
1.
1. What is b?
X.
X.
No, this
Minus
is
X.
very important. Minus x. So, okay, look at this, student. If I have been given in the previous question 1x, 1 plus x. That is why I was using x plus x plus x plus x plus x. Now this is coming minus x. Now in bracket you have to write negative x square, negative x power 3, negative x power 4. So you have to do like this. Now you start working. And at the end, I will be asking questions from you. In between, if you want to ask any question, you can. Yes, students. Is there any problem? Use negative sign. When negative value has power even, so answer will be positive. Be careful. When negative base having odd value, the answer will be negative. Yes, Hamesh, have you done?
Sir, I am doing it.
Okay, at the end, I will be asking answers from all of you. I will be asking answers from all of you. So, hurry up. Note down, you have to write formula on every page of your notebook. This binomial formula, because this is very important. Uh, it will be remembered by you. If you don't write it, so you may forget the answer. You may forget the formula. Kindly write the formula so that you should remember all the time. Okay, now the time is about to finish. Please tell me, have you done? What is the answer? One by one. Yes. Yes, what is the first step you have done with this formula? What you have done with this formula? One by one. What you have done with this formula? Yes, one by one. First of all, okay, now please, Ali Zain is writing his answer on in chat box. Let's wait for others. Yes, Umar Sadiq, please tell me so that I can write the step that you followed for this question. Okay, number one. What is the first step should write? What should I write now? Very first step. Yes, Mohammad Umar Siddiq. Please speak loudly. I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
सर फर्स्ट सर पहले हम फार्मूला लिखेंगे.
Okay, I'm writing formula. What is the 5C? You just write directly 5C0. 5C0. Then 5C0. Then 5C0. Then hurry up. 1 power n. In formula 1 power n. N is 5. What is the next step? because b is 0 here, so we don't write. What is the next step? Hello?
5C1.
5C1, then 1 power
4.
1 power 4. What about b?
Minus X.
Minus x, very good, and power 1, so we don't write 1 over there. Then next step, 5C2, 1 power 3. Now what should I write here now? Yes, Anaya?
Sir, minus x to the power 1.
Minus x to the power 2, because 1 has come before. And then next, 5C3, 1 power 2. 1, the a power will be decreasing and b increasing. 2. Now what is the value of what about minus x now? Power. What is the power of minus x now?
1.
3. 3. B power increasing, a decreasing, plus 5C4. What about 1? 1 power 1, so we don't write. Minus x power
4.
4. Then plus 5C5. 5C5, then 1, and then yes, students, 5C5. 1 will come or not? 1 power 0. 1 power 0 will be 1, so we don't write because 1 is now finished. 1 power 0. 1 जिसकी power 0 वो तो 1 ही हो जाता है. So if you want to write it, you may write power 0. Okay, power 0. Then what is the value of x now? It was 4 first, now it is minus x power
5.
5. Should we write any other term?
No, sir.
Why? Reason? Why we don't write any other term?
Because 5 is the maximum power.
5 by 5. Very good. Now tell me the answer. 5C0. It is 1. So only 1 will come here. Now tell me the answer one by one. 1 plus. It will not be plus. It will be minus because minus x is there. Minus, then 1 minus.
Minus 5x.
What is 5C1?
5.
5C1, 5. Okay, and then x. Then plus sign will come because x power is not even. What is 5C2? Use
10.
calculator. 10 and x square. The value of x square will come now. Okay, the next one, 5C3. Definitely the value will come in negative. 5C3, tell me. Use your calculator. Tell me what is 5C3?
10.
10. And what is the power of x? Power of x, 3. 3. Then what is now what is 5C4?
5.
5C4, 5. And then what is the power? Because 1 multiplied by 1, so we don't count. So x power 4 now. if you see the pattern, you can understand with pattern as well. Then again minus come, because when in binomial theorem you are given 1 minus x, so first term will positive, then negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Like this the term will come. Okay, 5x power 4. What is the last term now? 5c5. What
X
is
to the power
5c5?
5.
X power 5. Very good. Student, you can count the number of values. How many terms are there? You can tell me how many terms are there. Can you tell me how many terms are there in your answer?
5.
6 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When the power is 5, you will have 6 terms. When power 6, you will have 7 terms. Okay. Okay, dear student, you have to complete question number 2 at home. This is home learning. Dear student, this is home learning. You have to do exercise 11.2. You have to complete question number 2. This is your home learning. Is there any question you would like to ask? Inshallah, we will continue in our next class another advanced level of binomial theorem. Is there any question so far?
No, sir.
Okay. We will see you in the next class. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.